In this video, I am going to show you how to use Olymp Trade Best 1-minute strategy. Olymp Trade offers traders the opportunity to implement a 1-minute trading strategy, which can be highly effective for short-term trading. Follow these steps to implement this strategy successfully. 1. Start by logging into your Olymp Trade account. Navigate to the trading platform and select your preferred asset class from currency pairs, stocks, commodities, and/or cryptocurrencies. Choose an asset that aligns with your trading strategy and preferences. Utilize technical analysis tools available on the Olymp Trade platform to analyze the market. Look for key indicators, chart patterns, and candlestick formation to identify potential entry and exit points. Also pay attention to short-term trends and market volatility to make informed decisions. Based on your market analysis, determine precise entry and exit points for your trades. Set your entry point to enter the trade when the market conditions meet your criteria. And also set your exit point to take profit or cut losses based on your risk-reward ratio. So ensure that your exit points are realistic and aligned with your trading strategy. Once you have identified your entry and exit points, proceed to place your trade on the Olymp Trade platform. Select the desired asset and specify the trade parameters, including the investment amount and duration. Consider setting a stop-loss order limit to potential losses if the market moves against your position. Keep a close eye to open position and monitor market trends in real time. Adjust your exit strategy based on your changing market conditions or new information. If the market moves in your favor, consider taking profits or trailing your stop-loss order to protect your gains. And the most important, stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading decisions. And that's it, guys. Just utilize the analytical tools and educational resources provided by Olymp Trade to enhance your trading skills. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.